Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Now, if you see the first part of the live with Spice and her mother and sister in Atlanta, now this is the second part, and this pick up right where that one left off, right? But if you never see that one, then you just click on this. It's okay as well. You can watch this because this is the story about how Spice put a whipping on her sister. Now they're 9 years apart, and Spice technically raised her. So I'm going to play the live.
The first time Fenny's get a beating from me, I'm going to give it to her right now. See her there.
I can tell you the one now.
Yes. No, but that's she big now and pregnant. It's me grow her.
Yeah.
Me grow her because see my mother here. My mother used to work very hard. As me tell you now all the while now, when you see me now, just I tell you now, at first when I see my mother, so she can't tell you no fear. I said my mother used to work very hard.
Very hard.
She used to leave and go do her little thing, and me now take the initiative. And be the big woman in the place. I take care of Fen and take care of Mayo. I had a little brother when named Mayo. Me grow them. Fenny's now, the first lick she get from me. Cartel lick she gets. Other one there? Yeah, no. It's a cartel lick she get. It's a cartel lick she get. So when we used to live for one house, 2-bedroom and rare. Me is a strict mother, you know. No, that's why I see sometimes when people judge me, I just laugh. I am a very strict mother. When it comes to book, you have to take book. When it comes to housework and them something there, you have to do your housework. So me leave this little girl now until I say take her book. Me go away. When me come back at the house. Oh, the song go. You must be back and you get a rapid lick. Oh, this cartel song go. I don't mind for me, it was lower.
But at the long time cartel then.
A cartel song that me hear and play. After me leave this little girl in the house for do her school work. But can't remember the cartel. Well, whining song.
Yeah, but it was a whining song.
Anyway, I can't remember which cartel. A cartel song that me hear and play. You know what I do? I tip on my toe and go round at the back of the house because true me know say if me open the front door, the girl I go hear me and stop and turn off the song. Me just walk around at the back when me know say a room they round at the other side and lift up the little window in our room. Girl I practice for wine. The girl, what I say?
That is so embarrassing.
The girl I practice the wine. You're crazy. Me and your mother. Me. Yo. Where's Stephen?
I get some leak the day. I say, I couldn't even believe. Because I'm frightened, because she just come in at the door and say, oh, a wine.
Yo. I give some lick. Say wine. A white some lick for her. Yeah. So she pregnant now. She turned big man and but she married. Crazy. I give her some lick. But she heard for wine. Yeah. So that was fun.
Yeah.
But I love my family. I live for them.
Yes.
Love my mom to death. Me from first money me I hold, me have been. As a matter of fact, this career path I have because I'm a mother. Because to be honest, I got an opportunity to leave Jamaica when I was
9.
Yeah. My father died when I was 9. And
Okay. Yes.
my daddy died when I was 9.
Yes.
And Fen never born it. Fen don't know her father, by the way, guys. My mom was pregnant when my father died, and I think she only found out about the pregnancy when he died and she got to the hospital, right? So Fenny's never got a chance to meet daddy. But I was saying my mom is the reason why me even there Jamaica, come back to Jamaica, and because so when my father died, my grandfather, may his soul rest in peace, that's my mom's dad. Nice man, he gave me the opportunity to go to England. I guess him tell mommy say, I'm gonna send for me or whatever the case may be.
You did look bright and thing like that, and he said,
What you hear what my mother say?
Yes.
Hold on, mama.
Yes.
Mama, hold on. Say that again.
Yes. You're right. Granddad a letter.
You say Lickland?
When you was, think it was 5, and she said, "Oh, how old is this little girl?" And I said, 5. And I said, "This girl is 5. And write me this letter. I'm going to keep it, and I'm going to send for her." And she said, "He sent for you when you was 9."
You hear that? I was the little and bright. And that means what mama say again. I was the little and bright. Anyway, so my grandfather sent for me now for come to England. So when we go to England now, that's because my father died. My mom was struggling with, all of us and stuff. So he was like, I'm super bright and I have great opportunities. So he's going to make me go to England. So I went to England. I was living there for a while. I was going to school in England. Yes. But something just never right in my spirit, man.
Because I said, you have to take care of Finn. And me have to go and buy the chicken foot and thing like that. So you tell Dad, say you want to come back to help me.
You hear that?
Yes.
You hear that?
Because I say, me I struggle with the chicken foot and thing like that.
You hear that?
So me call one Sunday. We went to the phone box and me call you one Sunday and you answer. After your answer.
Look at the mama. Look at him.
After your answer, you say, I want to go home, my mother.
Come yard. So the moral of the story now, England nice, a be a nice food. Me not used to them a big food, yeah. Because we come from humble beginnings. So my mom never had it as much as, my grandfather had it in England. So you're going to this new world as a little girl. Dog in the house. When you're there, Jamaica, dog outside. Dog outside and you throw a bone, get dog. And when you go England, dog in the house with you. Dog up on your bed. But the great part about it is, them give me this grand opportunity and me just at all me in my head, me have to go back to Jamaica to help my mother.
Yes.
Them give me the world. Life was beautiful over there. Like when I say I have everything, write your memoir, Go Spice Official.
but when you come back and you miss the first common entrance, then this college.
Wait, me not ready for that bright part there yet. Hold on, mama. Let me give them the story properly. Cause since we talk, me not ready for that bright part there yet.
Come back from England.
Wait, no, mama. Me not ready for that part there yet. Yes. So when I go England now, me I tell you to say, me a ball, I tell them, say, look here. Me love on everything. Me like the big food, everything. The house nice and everything. Me have my own room in England and everything. When me there Jamaica, me and my sister them share the one bed. Me said, this nice, This very nice. But I want to go back to Jamaica. Yes. I want to go back home because I have to help my mother. Me say, look here, all of them pretty something here. Like it. But I want go home, go help my mother. I told my grandfather, me say, look here, me have to go home and help my mother because my mother one dog at Jamaica and she have the 2 people them, which is Fenny's there. So where she see me there. Every time, that's why she have to take care of my 2 people them right now, right through. Me say, me have to go help my mother and my little sister and brother.
More than 2. It was 5 of them at that time.
Right.
5.
But me just I say I want to help the younger one, which
the
is
younger one, yes.
Fennis and Mayo.
Yes.
Me say me cannot stay here, so sir, me have to go back home. Me never stop knock the man until the man send me back at Jamaica because every day, yeah, water when them at the table with big food. Me sit down a ball. What is wrong with you, Grace? Remember, I have a British accent, and this is where I get it from. Someone who never knows that I used to live in England. What's wrong with you, Grace? Me want to go. Me want to help my mother. Me want to go home and be that every day. So till the people them end up have to send me back to Jamaica. I saw so spice band.
Yes.
So spice band. My mother can tell you now. I start from young as me drop back to Jamaica. No itching. Yeah, so I could tell you about the bright part now, because I now got that part down for ear on me the little bit. I'm bright. Very brilliant. When me drop back at Jamaica now, me used to go to Britain school. So me used to go to Britain school now. The teacher, she can't pass the exam. She never did the syllabus. She never did the syllabus. She got to repeat and go back to grade 4 to Mr. Baker class because the syllabus was difficult and she not gonna pass. She have to do a repeat and she just have one. That's why me with my like a ball head now. Me I say, Miss, just give me a chance to take the exam now. Because
No,
that's
Miss Baker says Grace Bride, so you have to accept her because she little and bright. So you did pass the first chance, so that was the second chance.
common entrance.
Yes, the 2 chance, and you go to England, you miss the first one, so you have the last one. So the teacher was saying, so you're not going to pass the last one. So Miss Baker said, yes, she will pass. Give her a chance. And so she give you the chance. She accept you back in school and you pass.
Big up to Miss Baker. Because
Brighton school.
when I sit the common entrance at Brighton all age school, I never did the syllabus. I never did the syllabus at all. Me just go sit the common entrance and Miss Baker say, she believe in me, give me the chance.
But I'm a pass. But wait, pass. But wait there. You see, you don't, a lot of things that you don't tell them because they say when you come back, the fridge, when you were selling the chicken foot, the fridge did break down. And I couldn't buy that amount of chicken foot that I used to buy. Like I used to buy 1 bag. That 1 bag was, I think, a 60 pound well in the bag. And through the fridge breakdown, I could only buy like 20 pound. So I couldn't send you to school for the whole of the week. I could send you 2 days, Monday and Tuesday. Because I never have enough money to send you Wednesday and Thursday and Friday. So one day,
Wanna hear that?
One day now, you said the teacher said, what happened? You're not coming to school. You're not coming to school for 3 days. What happened? And I think you tell the teacher, say, my mother don't have any money to send me come to school. But one day now, I dey home and I see a cry come. And I said to me, say, what happened? And I said, you said, Mama, I'm not going to pass my exam because I said, you can't send me to school more than 2 days. And I said, Grace, you will pass your exam. Remember what I said when you come?
Mm-hmm.
I said, start it to pray.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.